You know, when you smell that smell, that smells like magic smoke. You know it's going to cost you money. So, the microwave died this morning. So I said, well, I mean, it was totally dead. Totally dead. No power, right? And I thought, well, okay, well, breaker. Check the breaker. No. Went ahead and put it in a different outlet. One of my outlets is just for the power up here for wife. So no, using extension cord, ran to a third breaker. No. Okay, so I said, okay, well, it's definitely a fuse. So ripped it apart. Fuse is fine. I said, well, let's dig into it. Got the panel off. Can still smell the smoke, the magic smoke, like we're burnt, you know, not like fire smoke, but magic smoke. So this thermal fuse here is bad. So let me take that off. I said, let me take this control panel off so I can really get a good look at it. So here we are. Okay, well, I guess, you know, take a look here. So I started unscrewing it. I said, let me, you know, run resistors, no resistance, or 36 ohms. I don't know, I can't see the colors on that, but it's probably about right. So then I pulled this over and said, yeah, new microwave. Now, while I could get this board, although I haven't looked into it much, I found out that this microwave is discontinued at like 2 years old. So when it rains it pours. I could find a board on eBay. I could probably get one from the manufacturer. But if it's discontinued after 2 years, it's not like an ant or anything crawled across there. That's some decent heat or fire. That looks like fire to me. I don't, yeah, you know, that's fire. I don't trust it. So, should have filled with warranty cards when I bought the whole kitchen set. But oh no, we'll do it later. Well, they say hard work pays off in the future and laziness pays off now. I guess not, because I get to replace the microwave. I don't trust it. I'm probably going to replace it. Like 99% chance I'm going to replace it if I find any black steel ones. But, I don't know. It doesn't have to be Frigidaire now. I mean, microwaves are kind of generic looking, so we'll see. But, yeah, I'm disconcerted with that. Or disconcerted, I don't know, whatever. I'm upset. I don't trust that. I don't know if it's a flaw on the board. I'll have to do some research. Board's probably going to cost me between 50 to 100 bucks, I guess. A new microwave is about 300. I might just buy that for the peace of mind. I don't know. I don't want to. I really don't want to. But this microwave has almost never been used. And it's just, we use the other microwave because we have two of them. And one's like a, I don't know, a counter mount one, countertop. So, I don't know. Just wanted to let you guys know what a fun day I'm having. Fun Sunday. Yay! Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.